Spilled coffee, a glass of red wine, muddy footprints. Your carpet absorbs it all, becoming a battlefield of stains. You scrub, you spray, you panic, but nothing seems to work. What if I told you there's one shocking trick, so simple, so fast, that it can erase stains in seconds? And once you know it, you'll never look at your carpet the same way again. Before I reveal this game-changing secret, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Because what you're about to discover will save your carpets, your money, and maybe even your sanity. Why carpet stains feel permanent. Carpets are unforgiving. Their fibers trap liquids deep inside, locking stains where scrubbing can't reach. The harder you scrub, the deeper the stain seems to set. And those expensive sprays? They often mask the surface while leaving the core untouched. That's why most people give up, cover the spot with furniture, or spend hundreds on professional cleaners. The trick revealed. Here it is: baking soda plus vinegar reaction. First, blot the stain gently with a clean cloth. Never rub. Next, sprinkle baking soda directly onto the spot. Then, pour a small amount of white vinegar over it. Instantly, you'll see it fizz and bubble, breaking down the stain at the root. After a few minutes, blot again, vacuum once dry, and the stain is gone. Why it works? This isn't magic, it's chemistry. Baking soda lifts and absorbs dirt while neutralizing odors. Vinegar's acidity dissolves pigments and grease. The fizzing action penetrates carpet fibers, pushing the stain up instead of locking it in. The result? A carpet that looks fresh, smells fresh, and feels like new, without costly chemicals. The emotional payoff. Now imagine this: a red wine spill at a party. Guests gasp, you panic. But instead of embarrassment, you grab baking soda and vinegar. Minutes later, the stain vanishes. The relief, the pride, the amazement in everyone's eyes. It feels like a superpower. That's the emotional transformation this trick gives you. Step 1. Blot. Don't rub. The first mistake people make is scrubbing. Scrubbing spreads the stain, grinding it deeper. Always blot with a dry towel first. This absorbs excess liquid and prepares the carpet for treatment. Step 2. Baking soda barrier. Sprinkle enough baking soda to cover the stain fully. Don't hold back. This acts like a sponge, ready to absorb both moisture and odor. Step 3. The vinegar reaction. Pour white vinegar slowly over the baking soda. Watch it fizz and bubble as it eats away at the stain. This is the moment where science takes over, breaking the bond between pigment and fiber. Step 4. Patience pays. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. The fizzing may stop, but the reaction continues deep inside. This is when the stain breaks apart invisibly. Step 5. Dry and vacuum. Blot the area with a dry towel until it feels clean. Let it dry fully, then vacuum up the remaining baking soda. The carpet is restored. No stain, no smell. Bonus trick: stubborn stains. For extra tough spots, repeat the process or add a drop of dish soap before applying vinegar. Dish soap cuts grease while vinegar and baking soda do the rest. Even years-old stains can fade dramatically. Mistakes people make: rubbing instead of blotting, using too much vinegar without baking soda, forgetting to vacuum after drying. Each mistake reduces the effectiveness. Follow the steps, and you'll see results that feel almost unreal. But sometimes the smartest solution isn't force, it's patience, the right tools, and a little science. Small, simple steps can erase even the deepest stains. So the next time your carpet suffers a disaster, don't panic. Don't call expensive cleaners. Don't hide the stain under furniture. Just remember: baking soda, vinegar, patience. The shocking trick that erases stains in seconds. If you found this hack helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful, unconventional cleaning secrets that make your home spotless, stress-free, and alive with freshness. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community, because sometimes the best solutions are the simplest ones.